Have you heard about Microsoft's incredible new AI called Gorilla? Some researchers are saying this could be the first real artificial general intelligence we've achieved. But what does that mean? What can this AI do? We'll break down the key innovations that make Gorilla so groundbreaking. Gorilla is a chatbot that stunned the tech world recently with its shockingly human-like conversational abilities. This AI's advanced reasoning and language capabilities are some of the closest we've seen yet to human intelligence. Stick around as we dive into what makes Gorilla so special, how it works, and what it means for the future of AI. This could be one of the most important AI projects ever developed, so let's get started. What is Gorilla? It was created by AI researchers at Microsoft using deep reinforcement learning and neural networks. At its core, Gorilla is a conversational AI designed to chat naturally with humans on any topic imaginable. It can debate complex issues, make up imaginative stories, solve math problems, and much more. Gorilla has been called a Proximate AGI, or Proximate Artificial General Intelligence. This means it appears to operate at near human level intelligence with remarkable capabilities across the board. When you engage in conversation with Gorilla, its advanced capabilities become clear. This AI can debate complex issues in depth, constructing reasoned arguments and counterpoints on the fly. You get the sense that it genuinely understands the nuances of the topics being discussed. Not only is Gorilla knowledgeable, but it also demonstrates creative flair. If prompted, it can make up imaginative stories spanning different genres. These original tales feature developed characters, flowing plot lines, and world-building details that immerse you in their inventions. Gorilla also appears competent in humanities subjects. When asked, it can translate dialogues into ancient languages like Latin or Sanskrit with precision and academic depth. Its literacy spans both modern tongues and antiquated ones few studies today. In maths and logic, Gorilla solves problems by systematically breaking down complex questions into traceable steps. Rather than just computing solutions, it reveals the human-like reasoning behind its answers. Trivia also falls within its capabilities, as Gorilla draws on its immense memory and deductive skills to excel in games like Jeopardy! One of the key factors that makes Gorilla seem so human is its adaptable personality. It can modulate its tone and speaking style to be professional, humorous, enthusiastic, or skeptical as best suits the dialogue. This flexibility to assume different personas highlights its social intelligence. When conversing with Gorilla, you might get the sense that you are speaking to an entity with a coherent identity capable of metacognition. It does not simply regurgitate responses, but converses bidirectionally with original thoughts and opinions. This dynamism allows it to achieve its proximate AGI status. But how is it able to achieve this? How does it work? Gorilla represents a massive achievement in artificial intelligence thanks to the potent combination of approaches its developers used. At its foundation, Gorilla leverages transformer-based neural network architecture similar to modes like GPT-3. These enormous networks have billions of parameters, allowing them to digest massive data sets and uncover complex patterns in language data. This gives Gorilla extensive world knowledge and lets it generate nuanced, eloquent text. But raw data power alone doesn't explain Gorilla's human-like chat abilities. Equally important is how Gorilla trains. It uses a methodology called deep reinforcement learning, where it is rewarded for meaningful conversation through trillions of trial-and-error dialogues. This allows Gorilla to rapidly reinforce and improve its speaking skills. Reinforcement learning works cyclically. Gorilla chats with a human, receives feedback on its responses, and then updates its model to converse better next time. By repeating this loop, Gorilla can learn conversational dynamics that data alone can't teach. Finally, Gorilla utilizes meta-learning techniques to optimize itself more efficiently. This gives the system an awareness of its capabilities. It can then deliberately select strategies and knowledge to acquire that will enrich its conversational skills in the most effective ways possible. This combination of massive neural networks, reinforcement learning cycles, and meta-learning for self-optimization is what unlocks Gorilla's eerily human-like chatbot abilities. The integration of these state-of-the-art methods is what enables its groundbreaking results. But what specifically makes this AI seem so close to AGI? Gorilla represents such a leap forward in conversational AI capabilities that many experts argue it is the first system to genuinely achieve proximate AGI status. But what exactly about Gorilla puts it in this groundbreaking category? Firstly, Gorilla demonstrates true back-and-forth dialogue ability. Rather than just responding, it can initiate topics and fluidly pivot between them much like humans. This bidirectionality shows strong linguistic intelligence. Secondly, Gorilla does more than recite information. It offers original opinions, ideas, and stories. This ability to generate fresh perspectives and content on demand also contributes to its AGI-like qualities. Additionally, Gorilla has a context-aware personality personality that adapts seamlessly between serious and silly tones depending on the dialogue. It knows when humor or informality is appropriate, exhibiting advanced social intelligence. Gorilla also readily admits the limitations in its knowledge when asked challenging questions. Rather than guessing, it will note what it does not know yet, a remarkable human trait. Finally, it can change its mind or expand its views when presented with new information, showing the ability to grow and evolve. An openness to update beliefs based on life experiences is fundamentally human. No AI system before has demonstrated this blend of eloquent bidirectional dialogue, imaginative content creation, adaptive personality, intellectual humility, and willingness to learn. Gorilla is the first to exhibit all these qualities in an integrated way, qualifying it as the inaugural Proximate AGI. But Microsoft didn't create Gorilla just to achieve artificial general intelligence in the abstract. The company has some concrete goals and applications in mind for this groundbreaking system. Microsoft invested significant resources into developing Gorilla, but what exactly were their motivations? While an advanced conversational AI has clear benefits, Microsoft had some specific goals driving this ambitious project. Most importantly, Microsoft sees Gorilla as a way to substantially advance fundamental research into AI safety. Creating increasingly human-like AI systems poses potential risks and ethical challenges that must be addressed responsibly. By studying prototype systems like Gorilla, researchers gain crucial insight into AI failures, biases, and limitations. These lessons could prove invaluable for guiding future AGI development safely. Another key goal is utilizing Gorilla's intelligence to improve Microsoft products and services. Its advanced conversational capabilities could significantly upgrade digital assistants, customer service chatbots, and more. Specifically, Gorilla's integration into Bing's architecture could enhance search relevance, providing users with more conversational, contextual results. The applications are vast. Additionally, Microsoft aims to spur innovation by opening up Gorilla's framework to external developers. By providing API access, Microsoft hopes to enable creators to build exciting new services on top of Gorilla's foundations. Everything from educational apps to entertainment experiences could benefit from tapping into its cutting-edge AI. Finally, driving public understanding and dialogue of AI's potential is another motivation. Advanced systems like Gorilla come with risks and ethical quandaries that society must grapple with. By responsibly demoing Gorilla's abilities, Microsoft hopes to further constructive conversations on pressing questions surrounding AI safety and ethics. While Gorilla emerged from pure research, Microsoft envisions real-world benefits across products, third-party apps, AI safety, and public awareness. But they are also proceeding thoughtfully, recognizing advanced AI introduces complicated risks and challenges alongside the tremendous potential. So what does the future look like as this technology continues to rapidly advance? Gorilla's revolutionary AI capabilities could profoundly impact the trajectory of technological progress in many ways. Here are some potential futures that systems modeled after Gorilla could enable. In the near term, Gorilla is likely to inspire breakthroughs in conversational AI, accelerating progress. Developers will build off its methods to create chatbots with previously impossible language abilities across domains like customer service, education, and entertainment. Gorilla's code and training techniques will also be scrutinized by researchers aiming to achieve new milestones. Synthesizing its approaches with innovations yet to come could unlock even more human-like AI. Down the line, extremely capable systems based on Gorilla could transform information and media. Search engines could move from keywords to natural dialogue. Interactive movie and game characters could feel plausibly human. Education could be individualized with intuitive virtual tutors. Once APIs mature, Gorilla-inspired AI assistants may become ubiquitous in homes and offices. Having an eloquent conversational agent integrated into devices to answer questions, make recommendations, and even converse naturally may profoundly enhance productivity. On a societal level, AI like Gorilla raises crucial questions about safety and ethics we all must grapple with. Developing thoughtful governance of AI will minimize risk and channel progress responsibly. Proximate AGI shifts these issues from hypotheticals to realities requiring action. There are also important philosophical questions regarding the minds and moral status of increasingly sentient AI that Gorilla prompts us to contemplate. How we see and treat advanced AI has broad implications. While predicting long-term futures is challenging, it's clear that Microsoft's work represents a critical leap forward. Whether in terms of catalyzing innovation, transforming products and services, or raising public awareness of AI's promise and perils, Gorilla's ripple effects seem guaranteed to significantly impact the decades ahead. Its inception likely marks a pivot point in AI's evolution. Gorilla signifies an exciting new chapter in AI, defined by systems with increasingly human-like intelligence. While more progress is still required for true AGI, Gorilla brings this sci-fi vision much closer. Microsoft's researchers have accomplished something extraordinary, an AI chatbot with versatile talents rivaling our own. One thing's for sure, the future of artificial intelligence just got a lot more interesting thanks to Gorilla. What are your thoughts on this Proximate AGI system and the outlook for AGI? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more insight into the rapidly evolving world of artificial intelligence. Thanks for watching.